My collaboration was helpful because I was plotting the points in Desmos so we could have a graphing software model, and in that way we could gather more data. And our strategies were that we follow the instruction of the activity, and if we had any doubts, asked the teacher for her help. We heard all the ideas from our teammates, and we always help each other. When a teammate shared her idea, we listened carefully and saw if it was a good option to accomplish our goal. And my contribution in the team was plotting the points in Desmos.
My collaboration was important because we were able to accelerate the process and get things faster. For example, while some were doing the mathematical model, others were doing it with the app. On the other hand, my collaboration helped to give ideas to reach a solution to a problem. The strategies I used to reach the goal were to agree with my team and listen to everyone's ideas as well as to divide the work so everything went faster. When a person in my team said an idea, I listened to them carefully so I could pull all the ideas together and come up with the best strategy to reach the solution. My contribution were the Desmos graph, making the pendulum to take the graph and answering some of the things from the presentation. This helped us to finish the work and get the solution faster.
I'm Abigail and I wanted to share my reflection on this work we made, where my collaboration was important because I was in charge of editing and organizing the video and our material, including the script of this clip. I also was the one to take care of the deliveries made. My main strategy was to work fast on things needed in order to record easily all the data required to fulfill the project. This, and also a great organization and team dialogue, which led to a fast and organized working strategy. This was great because our communication was flawless, and everyone, including myself, respected, heard, and considered every teammate's idea. To the team, I was the one who organized the deliveries and recollected the information needed, created tasks, and kept an eye on teamwork and communication.
Over the course of this project, my main role was handling data, formulas, information, etc. For example, after we got the data that we needed from the sensor, I was the one who took it over to a spreadsheet and documented the first 2 seconds of data that we had gathered. After my teammates had made the scatter plot, I was the one who got the formula using the knowledge and strategies from the previous partial. I also participated in dialogue and took everybody's feedback into account. For example, my initial procedures were very messy and they told me that it was hard to understand. So I decided to pass it over in a clear and more legible format. All in all, I think my effort and my contribution to this team was helpful.